Hello students, welcome to AriserTalent. As you know, we are studying the important chapter of NCERT, that is the fundamental unit of life. This is the first chapter of biology of class 9th, and we have already discussed about the important components of the eukaryotic cell, that is plasma membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, I told you in my previous lecture, I told you about the cytoplasm, that it contains cytosol, cell organelles and cell inclusions. Now we are going to talk about cell organelles here. Okay. So today our topic of discussion is cell organelles. As I already told you in my previous lecture, what are cell organelles? Cell organelles are the membrane bound subcellular components. Okay, they are generally made up of lipoprotein. Okay. Now today we will discuss about the different cell organelles. First of all, what are cell organelles? They are membrane bound subcellular components. Okay, and first of all we are going to talk about endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so today our topic of discussion is cell organelle. As first of all we are going to talk about first cell organelle, that is endoplasmic reticulum. When I shown you the structure of nucleus, that time also I told you that endoplasmic reticulum generally develops from the outer structure or outer membrane of the nucleus. So here we can mention it develops from the outer membrane of nucleus. Okay, and it is a network of membrane bound channels, tubules and vesicles. Okay, it is the membrane, it is a network of membrane bound channels, tubules and vesicles. Generally it has three forms. Endoplasmic reticulum has three forms. What are they? First of all we will talk about cisternae. It is the form of endoplasmic reticulum. If we talk about the cisternae, then we can say it is the flattened unbranched sac-like element. Okay, generally it is 40 to 50 nanometer in diameter. It is flattened unbranched sac-like element. It is 40 to 50 nanometer in diameter. Okay, so what is the structure of cisternae? Here we can see these are the flattened sac-like structures. Okay. These are cisternae. So this is the one form of endoplasmic reticulum. Next is tubule. Next form is tubule. Generally tubules are tube-like elements. Okay, they may be branched or unbranched. May be branched or unbranched. Here we can see these are tube like. Okay, sometimes they can be generally they are branched. Okay, hardly they are unbranched. Okay, so what are they? They are tubules. Third one is vesicle. Third form of endoplasmic reticulum is vesicle. Vesicle generally they are round or oval in shape. They are round or oval in shape. We can see the structure. These are vesicles. Okay, so thus we can say that endoplasmic reticulum has generally three forms. As I told you that it is the network of membrane bound channels or tubules or vesicles. So why I said this? Because it has three forms. What are they? Cisternae, tubule and vesicle. Now we will talk about the types of endoplasmic reticulum. Generally endoplasmic reticulum has two types, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. When I showed you the structure of nucleus, that time also I told you that outer surface means outer membrane gives development to the or give rise to the endoplasmic reticulum. That time I shown you that that was the rough endoplasmic reticulum on which ribosomes were present. Okay, now here we will talk about the types of endoplasmic reticulum. Next is types of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Generally endoplasmic reticulum has two types, RER and SER. RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum, and SER means smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so first of all we will talk about rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, rough endoplasmic reticulum generally consists of cisternae. Okay, it consists of cisternae. Ribosomes are present on its cytoplasmic surface. Thus, this type of endoplasmic reticulum is rough in touch. Thus, this type of endoplasmic reticulum is rough in touch due to the presence of ribosome, is rough in touch. Okay, as we all know that ribosomes are the site of synthesis of protein. Thus, we can say that endoplasmic reticulum is present only on those cells which synthesize the protein. Okay, generally we can say RER is present in the cells which synthesize protein, because ribosome is the site of synthesis of protein. Okay, next we will talk about smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So, it consists of tubules and vesicles. It consists of tubules and vesicles. Generally, ribosomes are absent in this endoplasmic reticulum, and this is the reason it is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So, here we can mention ribosomes are absent in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum helps to synthesize lipids. Okay, as ribosomes are absent in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, so it helps to synthesize lipids, whereas rough endoplasmic reticulum ribosomes are present, so it helps to synthesize proteins. Okay, so this is the structure. It was all about the structure of rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, now we will talk about what are the differences between smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum on the basis of their functions, on the basis of their products which they synthesize, on the basis of the presence of ribosome. Okay, so here we will discuss the difference between smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Next is difference between rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, that is RER, and next is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, that is SER. So, as I told you, the structure of RER and SER, then on the basis of the structure we can see that here it consists of cisternae, whereas SER consists of tubules and vesicles. Here we can mention it consists of cisternae, whereas SER consists of tubules and vesicles. Clear? Rough endoplasmic reticulum is rough in touch because of the presence of ribosome, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum is smooth in touch because it does not have ribosomes. So, here we can say ribosomes are present on its cytoplasmic membrane, and it is free from If we talk about the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, then it is free from ribosome. It is free from ribosome. Okay, as I told you, ribosomes are present and they are the site of synthesized to protein. So, here we can mention that generally rough endoplasmic reticulum is well developed in the cells which synthesize protein. It is well developed in the cells which synthesize protein. Okay, and generally it is well developed in the cells which synthesize lipids. It is well developed in the cells specialized to lipid, or we can say specialized to synthesize lipids and steroids. Lipids and steroids. Okay, and generally it product pass into the lumen of the endoplasmic reticulum to transport to other places, and generally it does not participate in the to pass the material to the other places. Okay, here we can mention next point. The products, or we can say it pass the products. It pass the products in lumen of endoplasmic reticulum for transport to other places, whereas smooth endoplasmic do not participate in it. The products do not pass in lumen of endoplasmic reticulum for transport Okay, so these are the main differences between endoplasmic reticulum and between rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. As I told you, it is very clear with the name. It is rough because ribosomes are present on the cytoplasmic membrane and cytoplasmic surface, and generally ribosomes are absent in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This is the reason, as ribosomes are present here. So, these kind of endoplasmic reticulum will be present only in the cell which help in the synthesis of protein. Okay, because ribosomes are the site of synthesis of protein, and here ribosomes are absent. So, definitely it will not synthesize the protein, and it will synthesize the lipids only. Thus, we can say that endoplasmic reticulum helps or plays an important role of membrane biogenesis. Why? Because it contains protein and lipids, and protein and lipids both are essential for the membrane biogenesis. So, here we can mention the point that endoplasmic reticulum plays an important role in membrane biogenesis. Why? Because it contains lipids and proteins as it contains, or we can say it synthesizes lipids and proteins which help to build membrane. It contains proteins and lipids which help to build membrane. Okay, generally all the cell membranes are made up of lipoprotein, like plasma membrane is made up of lipoprotein, and the cell membrane of these cell organelles are also made up of lipoprotein. So, thus we can say that endoplasmic reticulum helps in membrane biogenesis. Now, what is membrane biogenesis? Membrane biogenesis means the process to build membrane of the cell, and it is generally done by endoplasmic reticulum because it contains both proteins and lipids. It helps, it is the site of synthesis of proteins and lipids. So, thus we can say it helps in the membrane biogenesis. So, it was all about the endoplasmic reticulum. Now, as we have discussed about the important structures or important differences between the rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and as I told you that endoplasmic reticulum helps in membrane biogenesis. Now, we will talk about the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Till now, we have studied the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. Now, we will talk about the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. So, next topic is functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Functions of endoplasmic reticulum. First of all, it acts as a supportive skeleton of cell. It means endoplasmic reticulum act as supportive skeletal framework of the cell. Okay, next, it helps to transport of materials, okay, as well as it helps in exchange of materials. It helps to exchange of materials. Okay, it is surface for synthesis of protein. It is surface for synthesize protein. As rough endoplasmic reticulum is there, ribosomes are present there. So, it helps, it is the surface for synthesize protein. Okay, as well as it is surface for synthesize other substances like lipids and steroids. Synthesize, it is surface for synthesize other substances, that is lipids. Okay. It helps in the formation of cell organelles. It helps in the formation of cell organelles like Golgi apparatus, lysosome and vacuoles. Endoplasmic also help in the packaging of materials. It also helps in packaging of materials, okay, and it helps in the membrane biogenesis. As I already told you how it helps in the membrane biogenesis. It helps in membrane biogenesis, means the process of formation of cell membrane. It helps in membrane biogenesis. Okay, so these are the important features, or we can say these are the important functions of endoplasmic reticulum, as it is of two types, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and they both perform different functions, and they are the different sites for one is the site for the protein synthesis and other is the site for lipid synthesis. Thus we can say that endoplasmic reticulum is the site for or we can say it is the surface for synthesized protein and other substances, as well as lipids and proteins are synthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum. Thus endoplasmic reticulum helps in the membrane biogenesis, okay, and it helps in the packaging of materials. It helps as a supportive membrane, or it acts as a skeletal framework of the cell, okay, and it also helps in the transport of material and exchange of material. So it was all about the endoplasmic reticulum. Hope everything is clear to you. For more videos of physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics, you can subscribe our channel, that is AriserTalent, and you can subscribe it on YouTube. Thank you.